Hello, what's up guys? What's going on with all of you? Back again with me on the YouTube channel, Joan Sagala in the bodybuilding news.
Bodybuilding News first ever YouTube channel in Indonesia. If you wanted to see the update and information in the bodybuilding world, please watch all YouTube channel Joan Sagala.
So today guys, we got the hurt news, the welcome to the new IFBB fam. From the powerlifter to an IFBB to the bodybuilder. First and foremost, we have to say congratulations to Ben Polek, the PH Deadlift account Instagram. Ben Polek, I wanna say to congratulations to you for winning the MPC last night. Okay, so welcome to the fam in the IFBB. Ben Polek have the background as a power lifter. He decided to get the bodybuilder competition and he get this and he win the show. Because like we know, as a general statement, okay, as a power lifter, they don't have a pretty much physique, okay? The pretty physique, the pretty structure, they don't have it. But Ben Polek show the world in a different dimension. You don't have to be the fat guy, be the chubby guy as a power lifter. So you can bring up and you can be the power lifter and the bodybuilder at the same time. So congratulations for Ben Polek, PH Deadlift account Instagram. Okay, so this is the second news is I'm gonna bring up more and more. Okay, if you want to know the recent update again for our Mr. Olympia to 2020 is Big Ramy. This is the reason update. Okay, this is the reason photo update. I'm sure this is the reason. If this is the reason update from the Remy, I think Remy is look fantastic. Remy is really looking awesome. Is Mr. Olympia 2021 gonna be the best Remy look ever? Is this gonna be best Remy ever? I think so. Okay, look at the update picture of him. The shoulder wide waist ratio is really impressive and the massive upper body like the back. You can see the front lats and you can see how the big shoulder Remy is, how rounded the shoulder is. He get the lean. Look at the separation visible of the abs. As we know, as a fan of the Remy is not the king of separation. Remy is not the king of detail. Remy is king of the size, king of the mass. Ever, Remy is never gonna be the king of the detail and the separation and the conditioning and whatever else. Remy is gonna be king of the size. Even if Remy try to be the king of the detail, it's hard because he has the big structure. He has the big, so much impressive body, so much. I mean like it's hard for Remy to get the separation, to get the detail, but the vascularity, he's still possible to have it. Okay, but it's hard to be the detail like Mike Menzer. If we're talking about the 19s and the golden era, like Lee Priest, like Sean Ray, it's hard for Remy to get the level of the separation of the detail because he need to losing a lot of the weight and a lot of the size if Remy want to get this position, okay, detail. But it's not gonna happen, guys, because Remy is always gonna be looking for the size and mass and be the biggest guy in the world and take the title and winning the show. So is Remy can be maintain his physique and be the better guy and losing a little bit of the weight, just a little bit, for making him on stage because he's the typically 300 plus pounds on stage. He's gonna be better and he's gonna be best look Remy ever. Mr. Olympia 2021. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to follow along, give this video thumbs up, so I'm gonna bring more and more in the bodybuilding words and bodybuilding news. Thank you so much guys for watching. May God bless you.